You want to work smarter, not harder with spreadsheets? Let me show you a very, very easy thing to do that can save you a lot of trouble. I'm doing a bunch of formulas that are evaluating values that are in the age and the color drop down. So if you click it in here, you pick the age. If you click it in here, you pick the color. And then based on what is selected in here, everything that's down here changes. These two cells are C2 and C3. And there's no way I'm going to memorize that. So the way that I find easier to work, it's by giving them a name. What I do is I click on the cell and then I go into this here. Normally your bar would not be this tall. Your bar will be like this. So normally you would click in here and then type whatever it is that you want to name. And you can do that with one cell. You can do that with multiple cells. Here just did filter age and filter color. So now when I'm writing my very long and obnoxious formula, I just say color is purple and my filter age is either 1 or 2, do something else. If my color is purple and my filter age is blank or all or 3, do this. That saved me so much time and so much trouble when I was creating all of these. Now, don't get discouraged by these formulas. They're pretty much rinse and repeat, all of the same. It's just different combinations of these two fields. If you found that helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button.